In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tutorial, how to job cost. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure the correct tracking setting is turned on in QuickBooks. Go to the gear icon, then open Account and Settings. From there, click on the Expenses tab. In this section, look for the option called Track Expenses and Items by Customer and make sure it is enabled. This setting is important because it allows QuickBooks to connect costs directly to a specific customer or job, which is the foundation of job costing. If this feature is not turned on, your project-related expenses may not be tracked correctly, so it is worth taking a moment to confirm this before moving forward. Once that is done, the next step is to create a new project. Go to the plus icon at the top left of the screen and click it to open the Creation menu. From the available options, select Project. This tells QuickBooks that you want to create a dedicated space where all income, costs, and related activity for a specific job can be organized together. After selecting Project, go ahead and start the project by entering the requested details, then save it. Take your time here to enter the project information carefully so the records stay organized and easy to understand later. A well-named project can make reporting and tracking much clearer, especially if you manage multiple jobs at once. As soon as you save it, QuickBooks will take you directly to the Project Details page. This is the main area where you will review activity connected to that job. You can think of this page as the control center for the project, where you can monitor the financial side of the work as transactions are added. Next, go to the top right and click Add to Project. This is where you can begin attaching transaction types to the project so that your costs are properly assigned. For example, you can enter a bill or create an expense transaction record. Adding these transactions to the project is what makes job costing useful because it lets you see the actual costs tied to that specific job instead of having them mixed in with general business expenses. And that's it. Once your settings are enabled, your project is created and your transactions are added to it, you have the basic job costing workflow set up inside QuickBooks.